I've been wanting to do a sanrio inspired look for the longest time now, and today we're going to be doing a Kuromi Halloween look. So this is the inspo I had for the look. I wanted to have a good contrast between like cute and baddie vibes. Okay, let's start with the outfit. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a DIY because I know I don't have the right clothes for this. It's actually so late right now. I have no idea why I always decide to start at like 10 p.m. I definitely think Kuromi has pleated skirt vibes, so we're gonna go with that. And then I have a Kuromi t-shirt because, you know, Halloween, people just don't know who you are and you like don't want to explain, so you can just be like, that's me right here. Or they could see you and they're like, who are you? And they look at your makeup and they look at your shirt and they're like, oh, you're that thing. Wide leg warmers have been like the it girl of this whole year. So I definitely think Kuromi would wear something Y2K-ish. So I don't have wide leg warmers, but I do have my boyfriend's old pants, which I think would make perfect like grungy leg warmers. So I'll show you what I mean. So I marked where I want to cut. I already cut one leg because I was a little scared to do it on camera. And now we're gonna do the second leg here. Honestly, probably should have iron this, but that's okay. She can be a little wrinkly. Also, the cut is so easy because I'm using fabric scissors. Ta-da! Okay, I want to put it on. I want to see what it looks like. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see what it looks like. I'm actually so curious if it actually worked out. Oh, okay. Oh, I like it. What if I flipped it? Ooh, okay. No, I kind of like it this way. I like the line down the middle. I think I need to cut them a little shorter. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm in love. These are good. These are good. Now that we have that figured out, let's move on to the makeup portion. In my mind, she would be wearing gray contacts, and these are like my last pair of my smoky gray contacts. A very fitting look for my last pair. These contacts are intense, but I love them. They were my most worn contacts last year. Okay. What should we do first? Let's start with this light purple shade. That was not the light one. Let's start with this light purple shade. This is gonna be my base color. I'm gonna focus it more at the front of the lid because that's where I want this color to show. Placing this in the bottom too. And then taking this darker purple to accent the outer corners. You don't really need to overcomplicate it. Sometimes a simple 2-color base is really effective. Oh my gosh, I'm holding too many things. Now I'm gonna grab this pink shade. And this one is very lightly going underneath the eye. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of black and smoke out the look. With some black eyeshadow, I'm very subtly doing a smoky eye, pretty much just liberally placing the eyeshadow where I would normally put my eyeliner. It can be a little bit messy because we're gonna sharpen things up with liquid eyeliner afterwards. When I think about Kuromi, I actually like Jennie Kim or like Minnie and maybe Ning Ning come to mind. Like I feel like they got Kuromi vibes, you know? If there's any other idols you think have Kuromi vibes, leave it in my comments. I want to know. Okay, now I'm just darkening everything up with gel liner. Shading in the front to make the epicanthic fold a little bit more sharp. So now that we kind of have this like punkish look, we gotta add in the cute again. So I'm gonna do my Aegyo-sal. Gonna add a little bit of blush to the Aegyo-sal. The slightest amount of shimmer. I'm going to use a brown eyeliner pencil to draw in a small inner corner. My eyes are too close together for inner corner, so I have to draw in a very small one. And not only that, I have to use brown or it looks funny. For the most nerve-wracking part, let me do the eyeliner. So I'm going to try to show you how to draw this shape right here. If you have tapered eyelids like I do, this tutorial will be really helpful. I'm going to start with lining my eye like I normally do, and then once I reach the edge of my eye, I'm going to extend it downward just a little bit. From that downward, you're going to draw a diagonal up to the double crease. From there, you're just going to be connecting it to your double crease, and then just right back down to the base of the eyeliner. Now you have a perfect diamond shape just to color in. And last but not least, draw a small little circle in the top corner. It should look something like this with your eyes down and this with your eyes open. I can't believe I did that. That was actually really difficult. I feel like I need to reward myself. Okay, I'm gonna drink some tea. Wow, good job. Okay, now let's do some lashes. These are just, I bought these like Asian style lashes. One of the biggest tips I could give you while putting on lashes is having a cotton pad soaked in micellar water beside you. Whenever my tweezers get too sticky, I always just clean them in between every lash application. So I usually use 2 lash clusters on top of my eye, and then I use 3 lash clusters underneath my lash line. This way it blends in with my natural lashes a little better and doesn't force my tapered eyelid to look even smaller than it is. Now to do the bottom lashes, with the lashes it looks so much more open than the other side. For the blush, I'm going to use a really light pink shade because Kuromi has this like pink skull that I want to match. Also adds to like the cute punk vibe, you know? A little bit on the chin. Now a cute little nose contour. Now some highlight. This highlight is blinding, look at that. Now for the lips, nude lip liner, matte lip tint, because I think Kuromi would definitely do a matte lip. We could just leave it like this, but I'm going to take it one step further with a berry shade. Now it has a little bit more dimension. This is the final makeup and I'm so proud of myself. So we're going to do the hair in this part and I'm going to find some more accessories and then reveal the final look for you. I have these 2 clips that match Kuromi's little skull on her head, and I also have some black hair extensions. I'm going to have to trim these because they are not the right length. I have no idea how I'm gonna cut this, but I have a garbage can. I think I'm just gonna cut them like around there. I'm not a hairdresser, but this looks like something they do, so I'm gonna do this. Just gonna thin out the ends. Honestly, it looks a little funny, but could be worse. So I think I want to curl them a little bit and curl my hair. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my hair to curl because I'm confused. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. Like the softest curls is what I'm looking for. So I'm thinking of tying a small braid like right here. I don't think I need a hairband. I think I can just gel the bottom. Then I'm gonna put in the clip like right at the top, like right here. So this is what the hairstyle ended up looking like. I think Kuromi would be like a silver girl. I have like more punk jewelry. This is like a chain like this. Okay, now I'm gonna reveal the final look. And this is the final look. So the outfit, the leg warmers worked out like this. I have this little purple bag. I put this extra belt, added another chain. I am honestly so happy with this outfit. This is like the first time I put together like a full outfit and hair and makeup. So I really hope you guys like this look this year. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Okay, bye!